Hi, I'm Gerard Koolen, and today I'm going to unlock one of the most powerful secrets to success in recruitment: specialization. This is the 7th critical step in our recruitment series, and trust me, it can make all the difference in your career. You see, trying to be a jack of all trades in recruitment can be exhausting. Without a clear focus on one or two industries, you're constantly starting from scratch with each new vacancy. This means endless hours of work and, frankly, a ceiling of 1 or 2 placements per month, if you're lucky. But what happens when you narrow your focus to just 1 or 2 industries? Suddenly everything changes. Filling vacancies becomes easier. Your conversations with clients and candidates become more meaningful. You're no longer just another recruiter. You're a trusted advisor because you understand the unique challenges and language of your niche. Take Lubos. He specialized in top and middle management production roles. After years of dedication, he knew the industry inside out. Every key player, every candidate. When a vacancy came up, he didn't have to scramble. Within hours, he had a short list of qualified candidates ready to go. His track record? Impeccable. He could fill almost any vacancy within a couple of days. That's the power of specialization. I've put together a helpful guide to get you started. Overview of industries for your specialization. You can download it directly from my blog, Mr.Recruitment, or just drop me an email and I will send it your way. Specializing in 1 or 2 industries is a necessity for long-term success in recruitment. And here's how specialization can supercharge your career. You'll gain expert knowledge. You speak the industry language, building trust and credibility. You will have a deep understanding of the labor market. Clients and candidates will seek you out. Your network will grow stronger and more relevant. And all of this becomes even more seamless with our next generation ATS, the new talent base. NTB empowers you to fully maximize the benefits and power of your specializations, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your effectiveness. If you found this insight valuable, make sure to check out my previous videos and stay tuned for more. And if you are ready to take your recruitment game to the next level, request a demo of our cutting-edge tools, NTB and STA, the unrivaled lead generation and matching tool, built specifically for the recruitment industry. Thanks for watching. And remember, success in recruitment isn't about doing more, it's also about doing it smarter. See you in the next video.
The People Republic is you and me. Love and beauty is all you'll see.
Thank you for watching this episode, filled with valuable insights into recruitment and sales. To dive deeper, visit Gerard Koolen's blog, Mr.Recruitment.com, and follow him on LinkedIn. Don't forget to check his blog for detailed show notes and exclusive resources from this video. And remember, it's action that transforms goals into results.